help me. We're walking again. What is he doing? But this time we're walking in the rain. He's on live right now. And I got this in my hand. And we got an umbrella just in case it pours.
What?
Yeah.
What is it?
What would you say?
What the fuck did you say?
What did you say? I said in case it pours. There we go. Holy shit.
Damn.
Oh my god. Bro found a glass bottle over there in the grass.
And I broke it because my intelligent dots kicked in.
Yeah, for real. When it rains, it pours.
Yeah. Can't see nothing.
Hold on, let me get under that umbrella. Whoa. Shit, I almost fell.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Nothing.
It's raining. It's pouring.
No shit.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Alright, I got it. Yeah. I'm so glad I chose to record instead of taking a picture.
Why y'all looking now?
It's not landed. Be careful you don't break it. It landed.
Okay, I'm gonna stop before it actually plays.
Yeah, let's not play with our luck a little too much.
God damn it.
Why is it fucking bouncing? Wait, no, you're gonna break it, dude.
I don't care if you don't like use it.
Look, there's a hole in it.
No.
There's somebody there.
There's somebody laying back there right now.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I gotta see that.
No, you need to know. No.
We're in the laundromat right now. We're recuperating from being out in the rain. Then we're gonna see the truck. We're gonna sit at Checkers.
Mugging over your fucking lost her goddamn mind. She thinks she's Mary Poppins. You're not Mary Poppins.
Whoa, it's actually almost flew away.
You're not. She thinks she's Mary Poppins.
Where's the emotion?
You're not Mary Poppins.
It almost flew away on me.
It what?
It almost flew away. The wind was blowing it. Like trying to blow it out of my hand.
But still, you're not Mary Poppins.
Oh my god, did you see that?
No. Wait, now Ella's across apartments right now. No, wait, I need to cut the county apartments off.
We're in the midst of a windstorm right now.
Ella crossed other apartments.
Wind and rain storm.
And apartment storm.
Wind and rain. Wind and rain. Wind and rain. I'm sorry, what? You see me? No, you don't.
Me and my girl on the goddamn laundromat. There's somebody back there. Somebody back there. Huh? Yeah, he's just standing right now. Så jeg har glædet det på jer. We're in the laundromat again.
There you go. We're leaving the laundromat. It's still pretty windy right now.
Huh?
It's still a little windy.
It's 4 o'clock.
Yeah, I know.
I touched it.
I know, I saw it. I got it on camera.
Look, stop. Look, stop.
Top where?
Right there, and a black taco.
Oh, okay, I see it. Almost slipped. Yeah. swear it's Checkers. Oh shit. Bro. It's raining.
What?
It's raining.
No,
Oh shit, I just stepped in a puddle. Are any of them dry?
No?
No, fuck.
But you have to like stand right there.
I'll just stand. What happened? There's no truck? Too far zoomed in. Oh. I don't know. Jay's literally standing out in the rain right now just to get trunks to honk. Look. He's right there. It looks like the rain's slowing down a little bit. But look, now it's at a standstill because there's a red light right there. So he's pretty much screwed for right now. Look at him. Standing out in the rain. Ah, man, it's a fucking red light. Excuse my French. He's standing on the guardrail right now. Yo, he almost fell. Bro. Jay. Yo, what is he doing? Jay. Yeah, go ahead. Just be careful. I'm zooming in, bro. I got it. I'm recording. Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh my god, it was the Wawa truck. Be careful!
What?
I'm telling you, be careful! So you don't fall. They're not gonna honk right now, they're not moving. Okay. Yeah, I got it. There's another Wawa truck. Oh my god. Look at him. Bro, literally just got a freaking alarm.
Yeah.
Emergency alarm.
It was from the whole phone, but
It was from my phone, yeah.
Yeah.
While I was recording Jay.
For my YouTube channel.
Yeah, for his YouTube. real, like that's crazy.
No one of yours calling.
There's a
Jay, come over here.
criminal on the loose right now in our area where we are.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're so deep in that puddle right now. I just stepped in a puddle too.
Oh, God, it's cold.
Yo.
Oh, it's cold.
Get out of the puddle, Jay. I'm trying to avoid the puddle because the water will just go straight through my shoes.
It is, look. It's touching those feet.
Bro. Yo, even though there's a criminal on the loose, we're still walking to Dollar General right now. Three? There's 3 of them?
Yeah, look.
Bro, wait, show the ad again. I didn't read it. I didn't read the whole thing.
Hey!
What?
They sent me a notification as well.
Did it really? Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is dangerous.
Bro. What the heck? Where is he going?
Ew, I look extreme. Police investigating armed robbery at 200 Corner Drive, Wilmington. 3 black males on foot, 1 possible in vehicle, all armed, into stolen Dodge gun, flag torch, Claymont, Dev, stay alert, secure your home and call 911 with info.
Oh my God. Bro, we should be going back to your house right now.
We are so dumb to be walking through.
I know, for real.
After this, let's go home.
Yeah, we're going straight home after this, for real.
And we don't lock up the house.
Yeah, we're gonna lock the doors and windows.
Hey, look, hold on.
Yeah.
I got a knife.
Oh, he's got a knife. Okay,
I
good.
bought my machete box.
Okay, but they got guns, Jay. But what if they have guns?
And then he's called, and then the armed
You can't bring
robber.
a knife to a gunfight.
And then the armed robber. I'm going to get out done. So hey YouTube, we'll play fucking Foxy Bowl.
Yeah, while there's criminals on the loose too, by the way. Yeah, for real.
That's Delaware for you.
Yeah. Yeah, once this car passes, then we can run. Okay, never mind. There's another car coming.
Oh, never mind. Just a normal days in Delaware. And just
The motor open off. The other one had a burn.
Been stuck in line for over 10 minutes, no cap.
because a lady had to pay with her phone.
Yeah. I've been holding all this shit.
And she says, y'all, they hit a bank truck. Hi. Hey y'all. Leaving Dollar General now. Say hi.
Hi!
How long were we stuck in fucking Dollar General for? Like how long? It must be like fucking goddamn 3 minutes, cause a lady had to fucking pay with her goddamn phone and it took her so fucking long. I'll be leaving now. She's gonna send me some more clips so I can add to my YouTube channel. Stay safe, y'all. Lock up your houses. That any weapons y'all have, knives, firearms, anything. And keep an eye out for these criminals. Alright, y'all, stay safe.
He lives on this street. Say it again.
I like how you walk it slow so my tutoring teacher can wait even longer because I like
Yo, just tell her your cousin has a heart condition and we that's why we walk slow.
I'm not even gonna tell her that. I'm gonna tell her we went to the daily palace and then went to the laundromat and Chuckles and then to the Dollar General.
Yeah. Yo, we're finally here.
Yes, finally here.
We're finally here, yo.
And I'm gonna lock the door. What is Nicholas doing?
I don't know. Bro, my hand is literally asleep right now. No cap. You're signing in.
Yeah. Host our join, we let you know. We let them know. And he's like, I bet you see and say, where was I? Hello?
Sassy, I'm getting ready to sign off.
Yeah, I told you!
You okay?
Yeah, did you get that notification?
Notification.
Hold on, that's the next.
Why don't you have hands? Oh my god, I thought you were gonna fall forwards. Jay. What are you doing?
It's uncomfy.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh. Oh.
What are you doing? What is he doing? Tell them that the court's gonna come and take your phone.
Courts don't come and take my phone because my counselor, Winnie Hughes, was requested. I just hate Winnie so much right now.
Did Winnie tell the court or did Tony tell the court
Who?
about the phone?
Tony told the court, and then the court told Winnie, R-E-N-Y, Winnie, to take it. But he said, I came here to collect the phone. I do not let him take it. I don't know why he even has to listen to it.
Oh, wow. That's crazy, man.
About the clowns.
Jay's gonna sleep with his big boy cat. Big boy cat. Yeah. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty.